In this video, I'll show you how to transform any image into a stunning golden masterpiece in Photoshop. It's fast, simple, and looks fantastic. Let's get started. Open the image in Photoshop like this. To follow along with this image, the link is in the description. Below the Layers panel, click on Adjustments and choose Solid Color. Enter this hex code in the Fill section and click OK to confirm. Now, go to Blend Mode Options and choose Color. Let's add a shine to make it pop perfectly. Click on Adjustments and choose Brightness and Contrast. Increase the brightness, but not fully. Also add a little bit of contrast. Here's the before and after. To apply this to multiple images at once, do this. Right-click on the background layer and convert to Smart Object. Double-click on the layer thumbnail to open a new document. Awesome! Now let's import another image. Go to File and click on Place Embedded. Select it and click on Place. Now let's scale up the image to fill the canvas. Hold Shift plus Alt to keep the proportion equal. Hit Enter to confirm. Now let's save to apply the effect. Go to File and click Save. Close this document and the effect is applied successfully. Go to File, Export, Export As. Make sure JPEG is selected and set the image quality to 7. Click on Export and save it. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you find this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials like this.